be up there.
Yeah.
You haven't been up yet?
No.
First time? They're gorgeous.
Sorry. I also wrote the 7-10.
Are you a old school New Yorker? The human number, the old style subway
Well,
now.
my plan is to actually indoor exit at 8, so we're going to get off at 96. Find a place to get in at 86, get off at 7.
Bird, I saw pictures.
I was on the inaugural trip. 12 o'clock, I was on the inaugural trip.
Oh, nice.
So I was telling you last night that the Second Avenue subway for me is like Godot actually showing up and waiting for Godot.
Each one of the stations have these mosaics.
It's not tall. It's the Duke Nukem Forever of subway.
It only took 30 years to do this.
Oh, yeah, yeah. And still in progress.
I couldn't enjoy the inaugural trip, so I'm doing it. Now I can look at the tunnel.
So much for that do not lean on door thing.
What stop is next?
That door should go.
Lexington Avenue.
Well, there's someone in there driving, right?
Yeah, but have you been up yet?
No, that's why we're doing it. We want to get to 96.
It's gorgeous. It's really.
So let's go 60. And then the 63rd is one.
72nd, then 86, then 96.
Yeah, I bet there's a lot of what's on that line or whatever.
It only took them 30 years to do this.
Say it again.
And they want to do phase 2.
That's right. That's coming next.
They want to do a phase
10 years.
maybe
No,
10.
or we can stay on the
Don't hold.
train.
I got big
See you
rumors.
later.
You won't live to see a phase 2.
No, I'm sure.
Or longer.
A lot of us will not live to
Who's
see
just
it.
waiting for? Get off the train.
Here, I see some.
Or you won't.
Well, when you get back on,
Is there a station?
No, you gotta get back on at 63rd. Yeah.
And Lexington 6.
Oh, well, then we could just walk in 63rd. We'll just take a walk. What you actually can do is you can get on the 456 by night, and it'll be a free transfer. All right, so this is now the fully opened Lex 63rd station. No, we're not now. No, we're not getting off until the end on this ride. Right.
He may live to see it. Well, none of us will.
No, that's true.
None of us will ever live to see that.
See, there's a reason I decided not to try for the first train, because if you think this wasn't even the first train, because yesterday they had.
Well, no, for us.
Right. Yeah.
Was a 12:05.
Did you see Governor Cuomo there?
I saw. He was on the first southbound trip today.
It's great. For me, this is personal. Made it happen.
Look how look how smooth this is. This is beyond state of the art.
Yes.
They went beyond state of the art of this.
yeah, there's not much.
Well, 30 years to do it.
Yeah.
Nice sleep. Fresh nails.
Oh, cool.
Is this the new station?
This is the new station.
Cameras can see it, but I
How can we get on?
Because this was going to operate.
This is like
Is it like just a little bitty
Yeah, she was her giant.
next seat to the camera. Okay? Then we gotta go home.
I mean, I know, like, you can't see sideways.
It's
Yeah, but I can't see it.
Yeah, next to 86.
And then 96. I was gonna say that. Like Ashes.
Yeah.
They have a tax door 110 blocks north of them.
Yeah.
They have a real, it's like a relay.
Can you see it, David?
They go on trains.
You can't see it?
But the back
Try looking
goes off
here.
106, there's nothing. No. There's a
Try looking here.
Move
over.
The digger
Oh, the dinger, yeah.
is up there.
Just leave it there.
They did.
Yeah.
They did leave it there. But who doesn't, they'll ever use it.
Where else are you gonna put it?
Wait one second.
No way to get it out of there.
Is there a chance I can get a shot when it goes into the station?
Yeah, you can look out the window.
Yeah, I know. You got the other stops, right? Did you? Just take a second.
I've been here since 57.
Put your hand.
Alright, let's put it right there.
I think personally I should
Sure,
get
that
a little
works.
test. Come Tuesday or Wednesday.
Wait till we get close.
But
That's a
that's
nice
when they'll get real computers. That, you know what it is?
kinda 86.
We want welfare. We just wants to see this.
No real computers.
Mine's not so clear.
Not today.
Had too many people actually trying to get together.
Wow.
Wait a second.
We were exploring.
That's gorgeous. Ask her to move her coat.
Get yourself a couple bags.
I will.
Go to 96. No.
I'm gonna, yeah.
And then, you know, you think like at some point, man, find back to having to ride Times Square.
I went there when it wasn't.
Hold on, David.
But there's
Let me try one more. Is there room?
Hours. It was previously last time. Behind you had been on was the Franklin Avenue shuttle. Samuel went with Adams, mother's second husband. Other guys were coming down the Franklin Avenue shuttle. And crossover. You grew up. All right. So we get enough?
We can
Alright. Yeah, that's a four jacket. You
Thanks,
got it?
guys. Come, David. Okay, now we're gonna zip blend.
Marty, FDA, New York City president.
They're not as steep as
The lady is giving them away.